The average American junks their car somewhere between 150,000 and 200,000 miles. Most of the time it is not because the car cannot go further. It is because the owner did not know how to take it further. The difference between a car that dies at 120,000 miles and one that hits 700,000 is almost never the brand, the engine size, or how much it costs new. It is 5 habits. Habits that the dealership will never teach you. Because a car that lasts 700,000 miles is a car that never comes back to their service department. In this video, I am going to share the exact 5 habits that took my car to 700,000 miles and kept it there without a single engine rebuild. Habit number 1. Oil changes on a shorter interval than your manual says, with the right oil. The owner's manual on most modern vehicles recommends oil changes every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. That interval was written by manufacturers to make their maintenance costs look low on paper, not to maximize your engine's lifespan. The reality is this: engine oil degrades faster under real-world conditions than lab tests account for. Short trips, cold starts, city driving, towing, and hot climates all accelerate oil breakdown. A mechanic at Beachside Auto Parts with decades of hands-on experience recommends changing oil every 3,000 to 4,000 miles if your driving involves mainly short trips and regular idling, and no more than 5,000 miles for mixed driving. I changed my oil every 4,000 miles for the entire life of this vehicle. Full synthetic. Never missed an interval. When you consider that fresh oil reduces internal friction, prevents heat buildup, and flushes out the microscopic metal particles that accumulate inside an engine with every mile, the cost of an extra oil change per year is the best investment you will ever make in a vehicle. Engines that receive consistent, frequent oil changes with quality synthetic oil accumulate a fraction of the internal wear of engines that are stretched to 10,000-mile intervals. Over 700,000 miles, that difference is the entire engine. Habit number 2. Never let the cooling system go unchecked. Overheating is the single fastest way to destroy an engine permanently. One episode of severe overheating, the kind that causes a head gasket to fail, can turn a healthy engine into a write-off in under 30 minutes. And in most cases, it is completely preventable. The cooling system is simple: coolant level, coolant condition, thermostat function, radiator flow, and water pump integrity. That is the entire system. What most drivers miss is coolant condition. Coolant does not just prevent freezing. It also contains corrosion inhibitors that protect the aluminum components inside your engine and cooling system from degrading. Those inhibitors deplete over time. Old, depleted coolant causes internal corrosion that slowly destroys your water pump, your radiator, and the passages inside your engine block. I flushed and replaced my coolant every 2 years without exception, regardless of mileage. I checked coolant level every single month. In 700,000 miles, I never experienced an overheating event. That is not luck. That is a maintained cooling system. Habit number 3. Warm up before you work the engine hard, every single time. A cold engine is a vulnerable engine. When you start a car that has been sitting overnight, the oil has drained down from the upper engine components into the oil pan. For the first 30 to 60 seconds after startup, the top of your engine, the camshafts, the valve train, the upper cylinder walls, is running with minimal lubrication while the oil pump pushes fresh oil back up through the system. If you accelerate hard during that window, you are dragging metal against metal under high stress with inadequate lubrication. The damage is real, and it is cumulative. Every cold start where you drive hard before the oil has fully circulated adds microscopic or to components that are expensive to replace. My habit was simple and non-negotiable. After every cold start, I drove gently, under 2,500 revolutions per minute, for the first 2 miles regardless of how late I was or how long the drive was going to be. This single habit protects the most wear-sensitive components of the engine during the period when they are most vulnerable. Over 700,000 miles and thousands of cold starts. This habit saved my engine from hundreds of thousands of instances of preventable wear. Habit number 4. Address warning lights and small problems within 48 hours, not weeks. Every driver has seen a warning light come on and thought, "I will deal with that later." That decision is where most cars start their death spiral. Modern vehicles have sophisticated sensor systems designed to catch problems when they are small and cheap. A coolant temperature warning caught immediately is a $15 thermostat, or a $30 hose. Ignored for 3 weeks, it is a warped head and a $2,500 repair. An oil pressure warning addressed on the same day is often a $40 sensor or a low oil level topped off in 5 minutes. Ignored while you keep driving, it is a seized engine. My rule for 700,000 miles was the same every time. Any warning light, any unusual sound, any change in how the car drove, 48 hours maximum to diagnose it. Not to fix it, to know what it was. Because once you know what it is, you know whether you have a week to schedule the repair or whether you need to stop driving the vehicle today. The drivers who lose their cars at 150,000 miles are almost never the victims of sudden catastrophic failure. They're the victims of small problems that they postponed until the postponing became the catastrophe. Habit number 5. Transmission fluid and cooling on the same schedule as your oil, not the dealer's schedule. The transmission is the second most expensive component in your vehicle after the engine, and it is the most neglected. Most owners' manuals recommend transmission fluid changes at 60,000 to 100,000 miles for automatic transmissions. Many dealers push this further, telling owners the fluid is sealed for life and never needs changing. That claim is one of the most expensive pieces of misinformation in automotive history. Transmission fluid degrades. It oxidizes, it loses its viscosity, and the friction modifiers that allow your clutch packs to engage smoothly break down over time. Old, degraded transmission fluid is the leading cause of premature transmission failure or repair that costs $3,000 to $5,000 and ends the life of many vehicles that were otherwise perfectly healthy. I change transmission fluid every 40,000 miles. Every time, without waiting for symptoms. I also made sure the transmission cooler, the small radiator section that keeps transmission fluid temperature and range, was clean and flowing properly. A transmission that runs cool and clean with fresh fluid will last the life of the vehicle. A transmission running on old fluid at high temperatures will fail long before the engine. These 5 habits cost almost nothing compared to what they prevent. Extra oil changes may be $100 per year, more than the minimum schedule. Coolant flushes every 2 years, $30 to $60 at an independent shop. Gentle cold start driving costs nothing. Addressing warning lights immediately, the cost of the repair you would have paid anyway, just smaller. Transmission fluid every 40,000 miles, $80 to $150 per service. That is the entire investment. And the return on that investment was 700,000 miles from a vehicle that most American drivers would have junked at 180,000. The car did not do that. The habits did. If this gave you something you will actually use the next time you start your car, hit like and subscribe. Real car knowledge. No dealership filter. See you in the next one.